So guys, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the TensorFlow operations. What are TensorFlow operations? So in today's video, our whole concept will be clear about the TensorFlow operations and which type of the TensorFlow operation is. So in today's video, whole thing I will be cover about that. So now, please hit the like button, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also you never miss our latest future videos also. So now, let's move to the computer screen and let's learn about what are TensorFlow operations. So now, let's move to the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. In today's TensorFlow video, in today's machine learning video, I am telling about the TensorFlow operations. So we don't know what a TensorFlow operation. So in today's video, the whole concept will be clear about that. In the previous video, I told you about the TensorFlow, and TensorFlow in machine learning, and what is TensorFlow, who made a TensorFlow. In the previous video, I told you about that. So in today's video, let's learn about the TensorFlow operation. So let's get started and let's learn about that. There are TensorFlow operations like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 types of TensorFlow operations by the name of first is called add. What? First operation is called add. Number second operation is called subtract. Number third operation is called multiply. Then fourth is divide, then fifth is square, and then sixth it's called reshape. There are the 6 operations of TensorFlow. Let's learn about one by one. First of all, learn about the tensor addition. You can add 2 tensors using tensor A dot add tensor B. Example it is showing you. Let me copy this example. There is whole source code here, you can see it. This is an example, here you can see it. This is the first example I'm copy. Then let me go on my Visual Studio Code, and then I open my new file. Then here I are like index.html. Then let me make my file on my document, then create following. Yes, then I paste this code here and I save my file in the document. So let me open my document, then index.html. So this type of output has been come like 2, 5, 2, 8, 3 in the tensor. Here you can see it. We are now, let me close it, and now tensor, here you can see this one. I give you one example of tensor addition. Here you can see it, like we are adding tensor with TensorFlow.js, like tensor is 2, 1, then 5, 2. Here you can see it. Now let me give you the tensor subtraction. You can subtract 2 tensors using tensor A dot sub tensor B. Like this one example 2, let me show you where is second. Okay, this one example 2. When I copy the example, and now when I go here, save it and run it, so it give me here we can subtracting the tensors with TensorFlow.js like 0, 3, 1, 6, then 2, 9. Here you can see it. And it give me like that. Why it is giving me like that 0, 3? Because here we subtract like 1, then 2, then here I like 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2, then 3 minus 3, like that. It give me like that. Here you can see it. Now here you can see it. Multiplication is also done. So let's learn about division. Tensor division. You can divide 2 tensors using tensor A dot div tensor B. For example, this one example, here you can see it. Now this one third code. Let me copy this code and let me go here in the Visual Studio Code, then save it and run it. So in here, in this code, we are multiplying the tensors with TensorFlow.js in the tensor like 4, 8, 6, 8. Why it is giving 4, 8, 6, 8? Because like here we can write like 1 multiply by 2 and 2 and 2. Here you can see it like 4, like 4 ones are 4, then 4 twos are 8, then give me the 8, then and 2 threes are 6, okay, then give me 6, then 4 twos are 8, then give me 8. Like that you can do it using it, and you can do with multi-tensor division. Here you can see. So let's run tensor square. If you don't know what a tensor square, let me give you one example. You can square a tensor using the tensor.square method. Let me give you one example. This one fourth code of the here. when I copy this code and when I go on my Visual Studio Code, when I paste it, save it and run it. So in this code, we are dividing the tensors with TensorFlow.js like 2, 2, 3, 4. Why it give me like that? Because it's like 2 1s are 2, then 2 it give me, then 4 2s are 8, and it is a square, then it will be take a square, so it give me like 2. Then 6 2s are 12, then it take a square, then it give me 3. Then 8 2s are 16, then it give me like take a square, then it give me 4. Here you can say like that, you can do it. Then now I'll give you one example of tensor reshape. If you don't know, let me tell you. The number of elements in a tensor is the product of sizes in the shape. Size. There can be different shapes with the same size. It is often useful to reshape a tensor to other shapes with the same size. You can reshape a tensor using tensor.reshape method. Like this type of one example I've been showing you. Let me copy this code. Let me go on my Visual Studio Code, paste it, save it, and it should give me tensor square with TensorFlow.js. Here we can do a tensor square with TensorFlow.js like 1, 2, 3, and 4. Like 1 1, then 2. Here you can see like that. It gave me like that. Now let's come here. Now there is one example also. There is one more examples like sixth code. Let me copy this also code. Let me paste this and let me go here, copy it, paste it, save it, and run it. So here we are reshape a tensor with TensorFlow.js. Like it give me 1 2 3 4. Here you can see it. Why? Because here first of all 1 2 3 4. Why it is giving me like 1 4 is 4 1 is 4, 1 2 1 is 2, then 3 1 is 3, then 4 1 is 4. That's why give me like 1 2 3 4. Here you can see it. Like that you can do it very easily. As so here you can see that today's video we learn about TensorFlow operations. There are 6 type of operations in TensorFlow. First is add, subtract, multiply, divide, square, and reshape. And I whole six operation I have told you with the examples. So here you can see it. So I hope your concept will be clear about these whole 6 examples and name by the name of add, subtract, multiply, divide, square, and reshape. So now I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please hit the like button, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel. And do not forget to all the notification bell also, so you never miss our latest future videos also. So now I'm using next class and next video. I'm using like that type of videos. So now, and please access my machine learning playlist and bookmark it also. So now I'm using next class and next video. I'm using class like that type of video. So for today, goodbye.